Hello, it's Kathy from Utah DIY Wedding. I did not have enough signal here to shoot a live video, so I'm going to shoot this little video and I'll just post it later today. But today we're at Salem Community Center in Salem, Utah. We're about 10 minutes south of Provo. This is a wonderful venue. It runs about $400 if you're a Salem resident. If you're not, it's only $600. But they've got this beautiful grassy area to the side of the building that you can do a small ceremony on. What I love about this is that I hope you can see the pond, the lake in the background. It's just beautiful, and there's a beautiful bridge over there. But this mom has worked really hard decorating this wedding, and it just turned out gorgeous. Here she's got a barrel on one side of the aisle starting it, and on the other side she just put one of our lanterns on a hook. She also went to Walmart and bought 18 of these red mums, and she has them all over the place, which is a very inexpensive pop of color. I think she paid $90 for 18 of them. For the aisle, she's got these cute little lanterns in the different sizes. This is actually a set of 3 different sizes of lanterns, so she's just kind of varied the height of them, so it's kind of a whimsical look on both sides. And then the hex arch for their main backdrop. And it's just gorgeous here today. What a beautiful day for the wedding. One of the things I like about this venue too is it's got extensive parking. There is plenty of parking, and it's kind of away from the neighbors so that you've got a great secluded area. On the other side of this building there is a covered pavilion, so if you want to do food outside you could do that as well. We'll walk down and get a picture of that in a minute. But here we're walking into the venue, and it's got a little waiting area in here. I've had brides decorate this so they just kind of leave the couches for people to lounge on. This community center also has sanitizing stations already here at no additional charge, and you can move them wherever else. I think there's 4 of them provided. So here they put the coronavirus sign. And then I have wire wheels that you can use. I don't charge extra for them. So they've taken a couple of my wire wheels. They're going to put pictures on these boards. There's one of my card containers, so the gifts and cards will be here, and they're going to do their sign-in on this other side. Here's the room set up. Right now they only have 8 tables because they're doing a smaller wedding. One of the things I love about this venue too is it's got a huge kitchen. So if you need to have room to prep and stuff, it's got 2 refrigerators. Look at how nice this is. It's got 3 sinks, a microwave, a regular stove. But this makes it so easy to cater and do your food, especially if you're self-service. So since they're doing their ceremony outside, inside they're just setting up a food station. And here's what they did for centerpieces. These bottles actually have lights in them that you can hardly see because we're in the daylight. And then they just put another one of those little black lanterns. We have this greenery, and these little tiny wood pieces are ours as well. They just put them on gray tablecloths with a red runner down the middle. The big thing that they did in here was their food display. And I like how they used lots of contrast and stuff. This is so gorgeous. Here in this corner they just put some crates with a sign, again one of those live mums. They have an ice cream machine because they are doing apple cider slushies. So it's apple cider in the bottom of a cup, and then you put vanilla ice cream on top.